Hi everyone, so finally Bitcoin and altcoins had decided to crash the market down all the way to the 140k, exactly touching the worst case scenario we just talked about 3 days ago. Now the big question is, are we about to see a deeper correction for now, or this is a support zone that will hold the price? In this video I want to break down the key levels to watch and what actually it is meant for the market this drop. So let's dive into that. But before, I want to show you how actually everything is completely down after everybody was thinking that we don't gonna see a lower price anymore because we were breaking all-time highs. Also, it's important to watch and it's super easy to follow as well, but most of the people, they don't really use it well, is the fear and greed indicator. We can see already have been falling all the way from 74 to 60 now. And yeah, hopefully continue dropping a little bit, but that means as well we're gonna have a bigger correction. Let's see how this play out. But jumping into the chart, I want to show you as well how this has been working accordingly since June, if I'm not wrong. Let me see. No, that was since April of 25. Let me show you. We have it from here, this trending line, and all the way here. We have been going all the way, we have been going always from the bottom to the top. You can see over here, from the top, and we did here was the bottom, we went to the top, we went down here, and we did from here to down, and now we're doing it once again from here to here. So this could also trigger the price in now the worst case scenario, because we went faster than I was expecting to the downside, and the daily we could also come all the way to here and liquidate everybody exactly like we did here below the orange line. We see how this play out, went all the way down, and then we smash all the way to the up to liquidate everybody. And I don't think that's gonna happen too fast, because we already dropped all the way here right now, and we see how half of the candle have been already absorbed to the opposite side right now. Let's see how this play out. I'm gonna try to give you an update tomorrow and the days to come, but it's something for you to keep in mind as well, because I love to give this prediction like I was saying, so you can take advantage of the market and be on front than everybody else. And this is what we did as well. Like 3 days ago, I was mentioning about the worst case scenario to come all the way to this area, and that's why it's so important to have risk management and also stop loss, because otherwise you're gonna get your whole portfolio gonna get lost. No, so if you're doing some trades, remember always to use a stop loss, because I was calling for an entry below the 18,000. That would be the best entry, and if you set it up at 17 or 16 and then went all the way to here, it's fine, because now it recovers, but in some cases it doesn't. So even if you hurt because the stop loss gets completely liquidated, it's just a small percentage of your capital, so your capital won't be remember, it's just a trading capital. It's nothing to do with the capital you have already in cold storage, but you won't lose the whole capital. So in the next trades to come, you will be profitable in order to cover all those losses, and those losses are just minimal, because it's just a small percentage of your portfolio. It's just a small percentage the stop loss, so just keep that in mind. Now let me play you this out, because this was exactly like 3 days ago, and I hope this video was helpful for 387 people who have been watching this video. Let me know in the commentaries below if help you already this information before everybody else were talking about it. Let me play it out. Go all the way up, because this is just the Fortuna line. It will show us the strength I have, plus we have the direction of the positive to the upper side. The green valley is show the direction we are now, and actually nothing has happened at the market. You see, it's just one candle, but it's just super bullish. There's nothing to
to worry about. Even if everybody's freaking out, everybody's calling now, that we're gonna go to 110, 105. Actually, I don't see that happening. In the worst case scenario, this is what I was talking at the beginning, and I want to say to you. And the worst case, we break this in the daily. Let's say that happened. The best area to buy on spot. This I'm not talking about futures anymore. I'm talking about spot. And in this it would be in this MAI of 55. This is the MAI of 55 I use. And yeah, so that would be around 115, 114, and that would be completely fine. There's nothing to worry if we go down to that area. You have to see, because the trend is your friend, and the trend we have is bullish of F. This is actually what we have been respecting since the 70.
So this is exactly what I was just saying to you right now, that we went all the way to the 14. Actually, at the time I was doing the video was exactly in 14, and because this MI do move with the price as well. At the MI they are a price of Bitcoin, and now it went all the way to the 114,700. So I mean, yeah, we did exactly what I was doing 3 days ago. So you knew it before everybody else. That's why you should subscribe, and I will appreciate a smash if you smash the like. I mean, you're also gonna help me, but also gonna help yourself to be informed everybody else, and we're gonna try to do always these kind of predictions in order for take advantage of the market and take the much benefit as we can. Now there is something else I wanted to show you in the weekly. Let me see how we playing out there. Yeah, in the weekly, actually, we're playing really good. I mean, at the moment, we just holding in the 10 MAI, which is the blue line. So for now, it looks pretty fine. What I will keep an eye is if we drop more, is to keep an eye to this area. I mean, there is more opportunity to come for buying. If you was waiting all the time, now is no time to have fear, because all the overbought area I have been calling all the time, that is no area to buy. Now that we having this cool off, and you can see how oversold we were, and the 4-hour chart, and potential. I don't think so we're gonna do it, or we could go and do it in the month of September, because normally September have been quite negative historically. But I'm gonna continue updating you and see if we're gonna have that scenario and the daily this time. But something to keep an eye is the 110 more or less, because here we could come as well and liquidate everybody. But this is a quite big support we have there, so just keep that in mind. Around that we still will be good. As I was mentioning before, we could drop completely below the orange line all the way down and be absorbed. I mean, just to check out paper hand. So something for you to keep in mind. And remember, if you want to take advantage of the market and do some trades, below in the commentary below, I'm gonna attach this nice coupon code from Bybit, which you can go long and short. I never recommend short on Bitcoin, but you can go and trade any other cryptos as well with the nice coupon code I'm just attaching to this video. And also like this, you supporting my channel. And for last, I want to give a big shout out to everybody who have been following me, because now we're growing to 38, and I really appreciate, guys. So if you know about a friend that would get it will helpful for him to have some information as well, take advantage of the market, I will appreciate as well. You just share it to him. And yeah, like this, we're gonna continue growing. And like I was saying before as well, I'm gonna prepare myself to do a video where I share all the indicators I'm using, so you can follow me one by one. And then like this, we all gonna benefit from it. So yeah, just remember, subscribe, like, and see you tomorrow, guys.